In this video, we are going to import the course assets for the Unity 2D Space Shooter game. Now, if you're watching this video, if you hover your mouse here, you'll see that there's a resources available icon available in the top left. Select this little blue label, and that's going to slide out this info panel, and you want to click on 2dgalaxyassets.zip. That's going to automatically download the assets, and once you do that, you need to go to the folder location. And once you're on the folder location, go ahead and extract this zip file to your desktop. So I'm using 7-zip, extract here. And that's going to provide you with a 2D Galaxy Assets folder. Within that folder is a game folder, and within that folder are all of the assets that make up the game that we're going to build. What you need to do is take this folder here, the game folder, and drag that into the project view. So if I bring this onto my other monitor here, or even right here, I can just drag this into Unity, and it's going to give me this little plus icon. Release, and it's automatically going to import all of those assets. Now, if that wasn't the case for you, restart Unity and try it again. You should be able to drag and drop these assets directly into the project view. You need to make sure that the project or the assets are unzipped. If you try and drag the zip file, it may not work. So make sure you unzip the file, take this game folder, and drag it into the project view. Once Unity has finished importing, you can close out this Explorer, and inside of Unity you now have a game folder, and within that game folder you should have an audio, material, and sprites folder. Depending on the version of Unity that you're on, you may have a scenes folder here with a sample scene inside it. Delete this folder. We'll recreate our scene when we save our project next time. All you should have here is a game folder. Again, depending on the Unity version, you may have a scenes folder, just delete it. Also, depending on your Unity version, if you're using 2018.x, you will have a packages folder, which will have a few things related to the Unity engine inside of it. If you're on Unity 2017, you will not have this. It's totally okay, it's just something new to Unity 2018, and it will not be used in this course. So all you need to do here is make sure you have within your assets folder here that's provided for you on Unity 2018, a game folder. Now, if you're on Unity 2017, you will not see this assets folder as it's a new addition to 2018. So inside of that, you should have your game and then your audio, material, and sprites.